Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Farah Satria Badrani. You can call me Faras. Today, I am going to tell you about my favorite food recently and tell a little about my experience going on holidays and traveling abroad and the tourist stores I visit in my own area. Okay guys, so last week my friends and I went out to eat at a dark restaurant. The name of the restaurant was Bebek Om Aris. When I first came here it was very crowded. I thought it was just regular duck meat that I used to eat and try in some other place. But however, this Bebek Om Aris is very soft and juicy with a seasoning that penetrates the spicy flesh and meat makes me like it very much. You guys should try to go out there and try it because the Bebek Om Aris are so delicious and awesome at the taste of rich things. I guarantee you will not regret trying. Okay, now I am gonna tell you my vacation experience. So, last year I went on a holiday to France with my family. I spent 2 weeks there. Why France? Because I think France is a very beautiful and unique country and there are a lot of interesting tourist spots there. France is also known as the fashion state and cultural center around the world. That's why I love France. FYI, if we want to get out of the country, we need visas for permits. We live in the country and we should also have a passport ID. There, I was staying at the hotel. The hotel's name was Le Bristol. And as you know, there are some rules or prohibition in the country of France. One of which is that we must not speak out loud in public or public transportation. The second, called random waiters or cabs in France. Everything including calling a waiter has rules. You can't just wave them off without even raising your voice instead of calling out the servants. It will be the best if you wait for those who come to the table first. But if after a few minutes they don't show up, you can make eye contact with the nearest waiters and raise your hand a little cold so that the attendants can come in and take your order. And the last, keeps the luggage on the dining table. For the French, the dining table is only used to store food, especially when eating is considered rude or even rude. When I went to France, I visited some of the most famous tourist attractions there. The first one I visited was the Eiffel Tower. Who doesn't know the Eiffel Tower? I'm sure you all do. It's not a holiday to Paris if you don't visit the Eiffel Tower as an icon of Paris. It will become one of the France's most famous and important monuments. And when night fell, I went to the Louvre. The popular its museum is going to its highly iconic Facade pyramid. It was originally a fortress during the reign of King Philip II. The Louvre was home to hundreds of thousands of the world's legendary artwork, from the collection or relics from ancient Egypt to Greek civilization. It's even more beautiful at night because it's decorated with beautiful light, so I decided to go there at night. On my second day in France, I went to Paris Disneyland. The ride to Disneyland is like the Princess Disney Palace and the game with the Disney concept and animation production. There are actually a few more places I visit in France, but I am afraid the terms won't be enough if I tell them everything. So I'm so sorry guys. Oh yes, apart from overseas travel, domestic travel is equally interesting guys. For example, in my area there is a tourist attraction that offers natural beauty and can also be used as camping site and a picnic. The name of the place is Rancho Pass. It's in Bandung, right, in Ciwidey. Rancho Pass has indeed become a tourist haven in Bandung that has gone sober in the last few years for the three reasons. 1. The scenery that makes you feel in a different world. And 2. It's find their captivity. And last, the morning fog that has made your picture here so Instagrammable. Maybe that's enough for me to tell you about the meal I recommend you and tell you about my holiday experience. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.